Melanie, why do you think you're a pure natural?
I like more relaxed clothing, more natural, comfortable pieces.
Okay, perfect. That's what a pure natural is gonna say. So watch what happens when I take her from bottom up. So we're gonna first start with the shoes, because shoes can absolutely set the foundation for what's gonna happen up here. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, I start with my shoes last. Well, you can do that, and you can start with a layering piece to begin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually do both of those so you can see what would happen and do we change things around with that. So let's start with this first thing first. All right, so we're gonna, if you'll notice here, these are all the shoes, but they're not all your shoes, right? When I asked you to bring shoes today, you were very clear that you were pure natural. And probably if you were to look in your closets, you who are watching this video, you know that you have some pretty basic shoes in your wardrobe. And if you were to look at this, you would say, oh, I know which shoes are mine. I would have those in my closet. If you're a pure natural, you are not gonna have these shoes in your closet. If you're a pure natural, you're probably not gonna have these. You might kind of like them a little bit, but you're definitely not gonna have heels like that. You're gonna have more relaxed shoes, a lower heel typically, something that has a little less glitter and glam on them. Your flats are probably gonna be more solid. So I'm gonna have you put these shoes on right here. When you wake up in the morning, sometimes shoes are the first thing that you think, you know what, I really love those shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and build my outfit around there. Although you might put your shoes on last, think about the shoes that you want to wear for the day. For me, sometimes I'm going to shop and I need them to be very comfortable shoes. So I'm going to build my wardrobe around my walking shoes, which are actually leopard tennis shoes. And so I've got to build that way. So we're going to build around those little booties. And what's great about these booties is that they match her hair. Now, when you match your hair, what happens is it creates a head to toe look. So anything else that we do from here is going to work. Here's the other thing. You might not have a black top and a black bottom. That's okay. I'm just showing you that the basic pieces are foundational pieces. So you might decide that your coloring, let's say you're a soft and you don't wear black. So you might have on a brown top and basic jeans. That's okay. These are your basic pieces. It does not matter what's happening here. To become a pure natural and to build onto that style personality, it's all about the add-ons. So if you're working right now in your closet, I would suggest getting into an outfit, putting your two basic pieces on. For me, it could have been this sweater and these pants. And then I'm gonna build upward, right? I'm gonna do the add-ons, the shoes, the purses, accessories. All right, so we've got your little booties on. I've chosen two layering pieces for Melanie, so I'm gonna show you two different outfits. But for a pure natural, a denim jacket is wonderful to have in your wardrobe. So this is white, but you can absolutely have a regular blue denim. That would look fabulous with that. If you wanna have a pop color, wonderful. The thing about a pure natural is that you like comfortable pieces, right? You like natural fibers. You might like a linen. You may like a raw silk. You might like wool in the winter time, cotton in the summertime, but it's all about the comfort. And those booties are great for you because if you're going different places, they're still a flat. They're not a high heel that you're thinking, I would never wear that, right? So, all right, so now we've got a layering piece on her. Now I'm gonna build on that. Let's get you a scarf or a necklace. Let's start with a necklace. Do you like a necklace?
Love necklaces.
All right, loves necklaces. So instead of a statement piece of something maybe that I have on, a pure natural is going to go more for natural stones. You might have a simple chain that you like. So when you're out shopping, pick the things that you love. Don't feel like you have to look like everyone else. I love this. This jewelry actually came from her closet. And so when I asked her to bring some pieces, this is what I pulled it right out of what she had, because she naturally is drawn to those things. You have things in your jewelry wardrobe that you would be naturally drawn to. Pull that out. Now, keep in mind, you want to choose accessories that go with your scale, your frame size, what I call your star style. So if you are smaller, you've got to use a smaller piece. If you're more medium height, then you can go for more medium pieces like this. And if you're a larger size gal, or you're a rock star is what we call it, make sure that you have a piece that you love. And so we're going to put this necklace on you. All right, so I'm going to let you go ahead and put that on. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to kind of pull to the front and see what we look like. Okay, you look fabulous. I might even pop the collar just a little bit for a little style. There you go. You got a little sass going on. And you know what? Probably a pure natural. Probably it's like, I don't want to pop my collar. But what I do want to do is I don't want your sleeves at the same place ending at the length of your jacket. So we're going to just pull this up just a little bit this way. You could even have folded it, which would work as well, right? So you can fold it up a couple of times, but that's going to give you an overall better appearance. She's a B body shape, and so a longer necklace is what we want to do for her. If you're a pure natural and you have a D body shape, then I'd prefer to have your necklace up closer to your neck. So as you look at her, it's really a simple look, but it's put together. And that's what I want for you. All we added were 4 things: cute shoes, a cute jacket, necklace, earrings. 4 things. 4 to a put together style, just like that. Now, do you feel like this is comfortable for you, or would you like to add a bracelet?
I love bracelets.
You do?
They're fun.
All right, so she loves fun bracelets. Let's add a bracelet. All right, so go ahead and put this bracelet on. All right, would you like 2?
Sure.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Do you like rings?
Love rings.
Oh, well, let's get a ring on you then. You've got a wedding ring set, right?
Yes.
All right, so let's get another ring. As a pure natural, do you like big rings? Do you like small? I would think as a pure natural, you don't want something too crazy, but just a nice...
I think a natural stone is what I love.
Of course you do. A natural stone is what she likes. So let's go ahead and build to there. All right, so let's go ahead and take a ring. Which finger do you want that on? All right, there we go. Perfect. Wonderful. Okay, so she's put together just like that, a pure natural with style. All right, so can I have you do like the little model turn for us and show everybody how cute you are? That's amazing. Oh my goodness, so fantastic, so fantastic. I love this outfit, but I'm gonna show you how to change it with just one accessory swap, all right? So go ahead and take off that necklace. And all I'm gonna do is add a scarf. So, because some of you really like scarves, and it's a great way to change up an outfit. We can either, let's put it right under the collar. Just kind of hang it right like this. And just like that, you get a whole new outfit. So you could wear this one day and wear the other outfit the next day, and nobody's even gonna know you have the same thing on. And so you could have a scarf like that. You could tie it in the middle if you wanted. You could take it this way, tie it just like this. Kind of have it right down the center, just like that. And now I want to show you something. I'm going to have you take this off just for a moment, just your jacket off. All right, so this necklace, this scarf creates that vertical line that brings the eye to the center of the body. And so you can wear that just like that, and it makes a really cute outfit. I love this on you. Just make sure your scarf is in a color that works for you, that it pops, but just this makes a great outfit. So maybe you don't have a lot of accessories and you're thinking, how can I do this? Well, get some scarves. This is a very lightweight, probably rayon, polyester type, but it feels like a cotton. Get a scarf and wear it with your layering pieces. And now I'm going to show you one more option. Go ahead and take that scarf off, and I'm going to switch layering pieces. Alrighty. And we're going to put this cardigan on you. And this was in Melanie's closet. And so you may have pieces like this just in your closet. Melanie knows to pull up her sleeves to get that 10-pound slimmer look, right? Because we're not going to have our sleeves at the same place as our bottom of our jacket. We're going to pull in this, and even if she leaves a necklace off, this color has enough pop in it that she doesn't even need to add an accessory if she doesn't want to. If she wanted to, she could put that same one back on, just like you can do. But look at what she did with just the basic pieces. You can do this too. Now, I think we're gonna have you turn around. Do a little model walk. Dun, dun, dun. Ah. Thank you, Melanie. You look wonderful, and I know that you've inspired who's ever watching out there, knowing that she can be an awesome, comfortable, pure natural. You can.